Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, my name is Lawanda, and today I will be showing you guys 6 plants that I have that are super easy for beginners. These plants are so easy to take care of, they practically take care of themselves. So let's jump right into the video. Okay, so first up is the fiddle leaf tree. Now, I've heard mixed reviews on this, but I decided I loved it so much that I wanted to purchase it. So I bought it from Home Depot. I paid $129. I've had it between 3.5 to 4 years. I water it either once a week or once bi-weekly, and I keep it in a bright lit room. Now, I currently have it in my living room because I have vaulted ceilings, and this is the best fit for it. The only con that I have with the tree is that it does get dusty. I do not dust it off. I do spray it once a week, and I'll show you in a little bit exactly how much it's towering over me. I'm 5'7", and I can barely reach the branches. Okay, so my next plant is this palm tree. I purchased it from Acme Supermarket. I paid $16.99 for it, and again, it gets watered once a week to once every 2 weeks. Out of all of the trees, I would say this one probably needs the most maintenance, but again, it's super easy. I'll show you in a bit that some of the leaves, sometimes they turn yellow or brown, and then I'll just come in with a pair of scissors and I'll pretty much just cut it off and make everything look fresh again. I do that probably around 3 times a year, but it's grown significantly again, and I just have it in this large planter. The room that it is in has a medium light. This side of my house kind of has like a overcast, so it's usually dimmer on this side of the house. Again, it doesn't affect the growth at all, but plants are smart, so it seems to grow in the direction of the window again, so that's why it's kind of like bent over. But again, super easy plant, low maintenance, no issues. Here I have my ZZ plant. I purchased this from IKEA, and I have repotted this plant, I want to say 3 times already. It definitely grows fast. Again, this is in my dining room where it's medium to low light, and it gets watered once a week usually. I love the way this looks. It gives off a very I don't know, plasticky, fake look to it, but this is definitely real. And I love this plant. It's easy to take care of, and I'm on my 3rd planter with this. Okay, so now we're upstairs in my primary bathroom. This room gets off lots of light, and also keeping plants in a bathroom is great. All the humidity and steam that comes off of the shower gets trapped into the room, and it gives that greenhouse effect. So this money tree loves the sun and grows super fast. Snake plants are a must-have. They really are self-sufficient and they look really good. And last but not least, we have our dragon tree. Now this tree actually sheds a lot, but it never ends up looking bare. I love it because it has like this bright pink highlights on the end of it, and it's super easy to take care of. So that's going to bring us to the end of our video. I am always in the market for a new plant, so if you have any suggestions, leave some comments below. And until next time, take care.